Padmashree Academy video lecture series. I am Sayali. Our today's topic is French accents, les accents français. So why I have chosen this topic? Because this has importance. Okay, this has meaning, something behind that. It has purpose. So French accents are very important in pronunciation. So let's learn the French accents. Okay, so how we call French accents in French, how we say it? Les accents. Les accents means the accents. Okay, so there are 5 French accents in French. First one is accent aigu, means acute accent, l'accent aigu. Second one is l'accent grave. Third one, l'accent circonflexe. This is tréma. This is the cédille. Okay, so each one has its own importance. It purposely they have made these accents. So let's learn what is accent aigu. So it comes over only e, only o. So I would like to give you some example. Is étudiante. Étudiante is French student, is female students. So how we write étudiante is like this. Étudiante. And it gives us a sound. Which sounds? It gives us a sound. A sound. So étudiante, and it comes only over e. Only over e. So next is l'accent grave. L'accent grave comes on E-A-U. Only letters on E-A-U. And it gives us A sound. See, students, there is a difference between A and A. So, you can write as A sound. A sound. And this is A sound. There is a difference. For example, le père. Le père. Okay? And but it gives us a sound only on e, but a and u pronunciation remains same. For example, o pronunciation doesn't change. Okay, so this accent help us to distinguish between same spelling. Okay, same spelling with the different meanings. For example, this is ou. Ou is with the accent grave means where. OU. And this is OU without accent, which means or. Understood? So you need to write, or you need to focus on accents while writing. Okay. Next accent is l'accent circonflexe. L'accent circonflexe comes on A, E, I-O-U, these letters, and it gives like sound, ho sound. For example, hôpital. So hôpital, don't pronounce H over here. Hôpital, hotel. Okay, and there is a one thing behind this accent in Old French. The language got made in Old French. That's why they made this accent, l'accent circonflexe. See, here is, you can see it, after this accent there should be any letter, right? So which letter? There is S. So in something in 11th century or what, they have eliminated S and they put this accent before that letter. Here is same. It can be hospital in English. And this is, yeah, guess it, it is hostel. So they eliminate S and they invented this accent. It's called l'accent circonflexe. Okay. Next accent is, so what is the next accent is tréma. How to pronounce it? Tréma. So it comes, there are 2 little dots over E, I, U. Okay, so tréma, and it gives us separate pronunciation. Means, for example, see, there are 2 dots and there is accent like vowel. Okay, so we have to pronounce separately. Those vowels are okay. Don't mix it. Just the pronunciation is ma is, okay, ma is. But if you forgot to put this accent, what happens? There is no accent, meaning has changed, is may. Mais means cons. Which cons? Cons. May means but, but. Okay, so be careful while writing French. That's why accents are very important in French. Okay, so we go to the next accent is cedille. Cedille is, there is little bit like chota sa s over here, s, or if we can say it phi over here. So it gives us s sound. Okay, so sababia. Okay, sababia. If you don't put this, pronunciation will change. Kawa. So it is, there is no meaning. Okay, so sababia. Okay, and next is como ça va, comment ça. Comment ça. So after before o, it is, if there is cedille, the cedille, so it pronounces so. It should be pronounced so. Otherwise, it is ko. So, for example, écran. So there is r. So it is, there is no c cedille. So it should be pronounced ko. Okay. So this is a difference between how we pronounce with the accents and without accents. Okay, so let's have a look. So first is étudiant, is which has accent à l'accent aigu, which comes over only and only e. Next is l'accent grave, which comes over e a u, means e a r u, e a and u. Okay, for example, le père, la mère, mother. Okay, après l'accent circonflexe, a e o u, means a e I o u. Okay, on this later only accent circonflexe. For example, hôpital, hotel. There is one more example, path. You can guess it. What is a path? If you put s over here, it is like pasta. Yeah, pasta. Okay. So next is tréma. Tréma. There are two little dots over e, I, u, and this is very rare accent. Okay, but yeah, it has a purpose. So mais, we separate it, but we separate all those vowels. There are two vowels and we separated. Mais. Okay, there one more example is Noel. Noel. So no, we pronounce separately L. Noel. Then last one is cedille. Cedille is, there is little small s below c. It gives a sound, s sound, s sound. Sababia, come on, saw. It gives a s sound. So these accents are very important. Okay, if you are going to learn French, please focus on these accents. Write the paragraph, and you can just pronounce it. You have to do not write. Just you have to read this passage. Okay, if teacher gives you a passage to read for reading, and you have to read this passage, and you have to utilize these accents while pronouncing, while reading. Okay, I hope you like this video and you understand the accents, French accents, and importance of French accents. J'espère que vous aimez ce vidéo. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much.